Hi guys, welcome to the channel once again, and I hope you guys are doing well. And in today's video, it is kind of a chit chatty video with you guys, and this video is really helpful. I will show you in today's video 17 brilliant uses of aloe vera gel, or you can say 7 brilliant uses of Patanjali aloe vera gel. And I keep on using the Patanjali's aloe vera gel in different ways, like for my hair or for my face or for my skincare, for my makeup, in many different ways. So that's why I thought I should do a video on brilliant uses of Patanjali's aloe vera gel. It is really helpful video for all the peoples out there. So let's just get straight to the video. Before starting the uses of aloe vera gel, I will just tell you that how seriously recently I'm obsessed with this aloe vera gel, and or you can say you can extract this aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant, or you can straightly use the Patanjali's aloe vera gel, and it is the 90% pure. And if you seriously want the natural aloe vera gel, you can go for it, and you can completely substitute the Patanjali's aloe vera gel into the natural extract, and you can free to use that, and it is 100% pure. I know that, but if you guys not find the aloe vera extracts, the natural extract, you can straightway go to the Patanjali's aloe vera gel. It is 90% pure. It is 90% pure aloe vera gel. So now I will tell how to use Patanjali's aloe vera gel. The first way to use the Patanjali's aloe vera gel is the moisturizer. It is really hydrating, and it hydrates your skin. It makes your skin smooth, soft, and the aloe vera gel also used in winter as your moisturizer. It always give you a hydrating. It do not end your skin dry. It always hydrate your skin. So how can you use as a moisturizer? You can you can just add a pea-size quantity in your moisturizer, in your regular moisturizer, or you can directly apply aloe vera gel on your face. Work as same as the moisturizer. The second way of using Patanjali aloe vera gel is makeup remover. Yes, you heard it right. And you can have many of the time coconut oil wipe off your makeup like this, but aloe vera gel has that property to remove your makeup, and aloe vera gel has that property so that you can remove your makeup, and it leaves your skin hydrating. It doesn't leave your skin, or it doesn't leave your skin dry, or it doesn't leave your skin like patchy or like oilless, or you can say it doesn't take your essential oil out of your skin. So take the aloe vera gel and take the glycerine and mix them both and apply it on your face, and take a wipe or a cloth and wipe off your makeup, and it is super hydrating. When you wipe off your makeup, it goes like this, and it leaves the hydrating face or hydrating skin. So the third way of using the aloe vera gel is dark circle eye mask. And who love panda eyes and dark circles, puffiness under your eyes, we have to work it. I know the concealers work great, but we have to still working on our dark circles, and even I am doing it regularly. And apply Patanjali's aloe vera gel under your eyes with the ring finger and soak it properly, or you can apply on a cotton pad and place it over the affected area. Soak it properly and then sleep. So the fifth use of Patanjali's aloe vera gel is aftershave or after waxing gel. When you shave your like legs or your arm, or you can wax them, or they leaves like hurted place, or you might get irritating skin over there, you can apply a thick amount of aloe vera gel on the affected area, on the waxing or the after waxing or after shaving, and it works like this, and you will feel such a relief while applying aloe vera gel. You can apply them, and you can see how relief you feel and how it works, and it works amazingly. And you can also freeze the aloe vera gel in cubes and then rub it on the arms, or where you shave or where you wax, and it is really works amazing. So the sixth way of using aloe vera gel is as a lip gloss. If you have the matte lipstick like this, and when you apply the aloe vera gel over it, it will give a sheer lip gloss finish to it, and you can easily get the lip gloss finish to it. And this is really helpful if you are if you have that matte lipstick, and if you want lip gloss, and you can make your favorite lipstick into your lip gloss. So the seventh use of Patanjali's aloe vera gel is your toner or a serum. For the serum, you can just take a spray. For the serum, you can take a spray bottle, and after that just take the aloe vera gel and put it in, and take the vitamin E oil and mix it. And when you make the vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule, and it is really easily available at the medical stores, you can take vitamin E capsule and the aloe vera gel, just mix them properly and then apply all over your face. And when you wake up in the morning, you get the radiant skin. As a DIY skin toner, you can just add aloe vera gel in the spray bottle and add a distilled water into it, and just shake it properly so that it mix it well, and just spray it properly, and it works as a toner, as a best toner. So the eighth way of using aloe vera gel is scrub, and it is super easy, and it is really effective as well. And you can just take your regular scrub and just add a quite of good amount of aloe vera gel, and just mix them both, and just regular scrubbing on your face. So the aloe vera gel makes sure that your skin doesn't get stripped out of the essential oil. So the ninth way of using the Patanjali's aloe vera gel is the night cream. Lets this gel work all over the night, and this is really easy way of finding a cheaper night cream. You do not have to spend 200 to 300 rupees on a single night cream. You just take a good thick amount of aloe vera gel and apply it all over your face, and rub it gently, let them work overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, you will get the replenished, hydrating and super soft skin. So the next way of using aloe vera gel as your face wash, yes, you heard it right, face wash. And you can do this as many times as you can, especially when you out of your face wash and you will use a soap for it. It is no for me. Never use soap instead of face wash. Always use face wash. And if you run out of your face wash, don't worry, you can just simply take a quantity of aloe vera gel on your hand and just rubbing it, and then wash your face. You will see how your skin hydrating, how your skin soft, and you can see how your skin moist and soft, and it's super soft, and it leave your skin hydrating. The 11th way of using aloe vera gel, it is as a shampoo. If you do not know, aloe vera gel helps in reducing hair fall, and it also provides soft and shiny tresses. You can make your own DIY shampoo at home. You just have to take a ball and pour it your regular shampoo in the ball, and take a good amount of aloe vera gel in the shampoo, and mix them properly, and apply it on your scalp and wash it, and you can see the difference in the few days. Way of using aloe vera gel is the hair leave-in cream. Hair leave-in cream also work as a serum. This makes my tresses look more manageable and shiny. If you find the leave-in cream in the market, it contains chemical. It is not pure, like it is not herbal. So you can make your own hair leave-in cream at your home. So use the aloe vera gel instead of hair leave-in cream. It is the perfect substitute of the hair leave-in cream, and massage it on the tips of the hair, and you will see your hair is all set. So the 13th way of using your aloe vera gel is your hair gel. It works decent enough to style your looks. It works decent enough to get your gorgeous hair look. You just have to take aloe vera gel instead of hair gel. Take a little amount of aloe vera gel on your palm. Just rub it and style your hair. So the 14th way of using aloe vera gel is eyelashes or eyebrow hair growth. Now, who doesn't dream of gorgeous eyelashes? And the aloe vera gel is rescue hair. So you just have to take the aloe vera gel and olive oil and mix them, and take a Q-tip and just apply on your eyelashes. It will give the best way to it is the best way to growth your eyelashes, and also apply it on your brows. It will thicken up in few days and you will find the best result. The 15th way of using aloe vera gel is the eyebrow gel. Yes, you heard it right. You can just replace your aloe vera gel, instead of it just apply on your eyebrows, and it works same exactly as the eyebrow gel. So the 16th way of using aloe vera gel is as your nail cream. If your cuticle is rough or you having cuticle problem and you have a skin around your nails and your hand is really dry, you just take a good quantity of your aloe vera gel and just apply on your cuticles, and it will work amazing. And the overnight you will find the difference how it works amazing. You have a really like major problem of your nails, you can add olive oil to it and massage it all over your cuticles and you will get the best results. So the last way of the 17th way of using aloe vera gel is the use as a face primer. If you see my last makeup tutorial, I use the Patanjali's aloe vera gel as my primer, and you just have to apply it as a thin layer of the aloe vera gel on your face before applying makeup, and you will get the makeup last long for the day, and your skin feel more hydrated, and your skin doesn't get patchy or your makeup doesn't go anywhere for the whole day. So that's all are the Patanjali's aloe vera gel, brilliant uses of Patanjali's aloe vera gel. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you really find this video helpful, give a big thumbs up to this video. I hope you guys find this video really helpful for you, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. You will get notified whenever I upload new video. And that's all for today's video. Bye bye.